suppose you tell a taxi driver you have to go here, and after 2 minutes you are telling no 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 I have to go there. In third minute you are telling no 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 I have to go there. And in this way you are confused, and you are making that taxi driver confused. So in that condition, what he will do with you? He will leave you there and go away from there. Why? Because you are already confused and making him confused. You are wasting your time and his as well. So my friend, first of all, what should be? You should have the clarity where you have to go. You should know what is your destiny, which place you want to go. Then you can tell him and he can take you over there without wasting time, without confusion. So, similarly, my friend, in this language as well, if you are a beginner and going to learn this language from scratch, you don't know anything, but you don't know how and what you should learn first. A beginner who is going to learn from the scratch what he or she should learn first. What is necessary first to speak, first to learn. If you don't know, in this video I will tell you. Why? Because I know being a beginner, truly beginner, you are confused. Why? Because in front of you there are lot of options, lots of guidance. Start your English from tenses, start learning English by listening, start learning English in this way, in that way, like that. And that's how you are confused. You don't know what you should learn first and what you should, you know, practice first. And in this way, you are trying something and then spending time in that and feeling that no 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 I should learn first this one. When you are learning, going some step into it, then you are realizing no 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 I should start my learning from here, this is the best. And in this way you are confused. You are confused as well as you are stuck from where and how you should start, what you should learn first. So my friends, in this video I am going to share with you 3 tips for beginners, that what they should learn first if they are going to learn from scratch. If they are truly beginner, then what they should learn first. So hi friend, I'm Nisha, welcome to my new another video. So my friend, before talking and delving into the video, let me take you a little bit in childhood. My friend, when we were child and ready to speak, started speaking something. So first of all, what we were teaching at that time, have you remembered till now or not? If not, it's okay, I'm here to tell you. My friend, when we were started speaking little bit, so our family, parents first, what they teach us and what taught us? Our name, our name, our parents' name, our village name, our introduction first. Okay, let it be. Whenever we go anywhere, you know, anywhere or meet with new people, what we asked first? Can you tell me? I think your answer is same. Introduction. Who you are? What do you do? From where you live? Like that. Isn't it? So my friend, in childhood, our parents, our family teach us our introduction first, our name, our parents' name, and etc. etc. Wherever we go, any places, meet with any new people, we are asked our introduction first. So here also you are going to learn English language. So first of all, what is important to learn a beginner? If they are going to learn this language, I think now you got to know. Introduction. Yes, you heard me right. Introduction. So, my friend, if you are going to learn this language from scratch, from zero level, then first of all, learn introduction. How you can introduce yourself in English. So learn how to introduce yourself, but more than this, you know how to tell your introduction confidently. So first of all, learn how to introduce yourself and then practice of it to speak, to tell your introduction confidently. And how you can tell your introduction confidently? If you do the practice again and again and again, then only, my friend. So learn first of all what introduction in English. So this is what you need to do if you are going to learn from scratch. Second, my friend, you should learn how to tell your daily routine. Yes, you heard me right. How to tell your daily routine. And how you can learn? For this, you will have to learn present indefinite. If you know the present indefinite, then only you can tell your daily routine. Why? Because daily routine, daily habit, it comes under the present indefinite. If you know, then you can make in English, translate in English. So work on present indefinite and learn how to tell your daily routine. Whatever you do morning to till night, whatever activity you do, you have to know how to tell in English. Start learning English from yourself. First of all, your name, your hobbies, what you do every day, your activities, your surrounding, your family member. Start learning from yourself. And one by one, you can learn how to explain, how to tell in English. So that's what you need to do. And in this way, my friend, you can also learn and speak about your uh, present action. See, this time what I'm doing, I'm speaking in front of camera. So similarly, you also do some work, you also perform some work. So while doing that work, you can speak in English. You cannot, you have to, you have to speak in English. If you are performing any work, then you have to speak in English. And for that, you need to work on present continuous. Similarly, you can speak about your past action. You can speak about future action, future activity, past activity. And simultaneously, you can also work on tenses, because tenses are very very important, essential. It plays 90 and 95% role in speaking English, in understanding English, and for you know transforming the sentences correctly. So you must know the tenses. So that's how you can learn the tenses and do the practice of them by explaining and telling about your activity. If you tell about your past activity, for that you need to work on past tenses. For telling your present activity, you need to work on present tenses. And for telling, explaining about your future activity, you need to learn future tenses. So in this way, you can learn the tenses as well as how to tell, explain your activity, past, present, future activity in English. So both you can do together. And third, it is also important, my friend. If you are beginner, then you must work on this, and that is vocabulary. Yes, you heard me right. Vocabulary. You need to work on vocab first of all. And which kinds of vocab? Beach, mountain, river. No, 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 no. You need to know the words which is, used in your life, in your activity, which is used to tell your life, to tell your activity, to tell your surrounding, to tell your, you know, activity. Why? Because you are learner. beginner, and you need to start learning from yourself. So that's why you need to learn such word which is can help you to express yourself, to express your thought, to express your activities, to express your surrounding. So first you need to learn such word, and then little further you can start learning such word, because those are also requirement. But initially you need to learn such word, food related, action related, emotion related, in this kind of. Okay, if you don't know, then must work. So what I told, three tips for beginners if you are going to learn this language from scratch. So I told, start learning, you know, and learn first what introduction, second daily routine. In daily routine I told how you can, learn tenses, as well as learn how to express, tell in English your activity, your past, present, future activity. So this one I told. Thirdly I told you about words, vocabulary, how it is important. If you know the word, then only you can understand. If you don't know proper English, you don't understand, but you know the word, so on the base of that also can catch you. So you must know the words. Yeah, I told three tips, but fourth I'm adding in this video. So fourth is very very significant. If you ignore it, then you are not going to get the benefit of this three tips. If you want to get the benefit of this three, and want to become which you are thinking, which you are willing, then you must need to do it. And what is practice? Practice, practice, practice. What practice? First learn and then do the practice. How? By speaking. You can speak in front of camera, in front of mirror, yeah, without camera and mirror, just like that. But you have to do practice and practice. You have to speak because you want to speak, you want to explain everything in speaking in English. That's why you need to practice in a speaking way. Then only you can learn, you can speak, you can achieve your goal. So do this all activity and do the practice. With consistency, you have to work on it. Then only it can work for you. It can be possible for you. So I hope now you understood what you need to do and how you need to start and what first you need to learn. If you then please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. We will meet in next video.